Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have my beautiful Barbie, and she is wearing her beautiful Barbie dress from the movie. She is not our Margot Robbie Barbie, but she is, I just like the dress. It's cute, but she is missing something. Do you know what she's missing? Accessories. So look what I've got for her. Mini fashions, and these are amazing because they're actual fabric fashions. I mean, they're mainly purses, but you know what? Barbie needs some purses, and I got her 3 of them. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to open them with you. And I am excited for these because unlike regular Barbie purses or like Dollar Tree purses, I believe she can open these. Look at how cute these are. And it does say real fabric, fashion, bags, and accessories. There are over 40 of them, and each one has 5. Look at the packaging. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Let's get right into this. Now, we've opened this type of thing before, and it was like the toys or the food. This is the first time. Oh my gosh. I can never get these to open. That we are opening the fashions. Okay, let's go. And apparently, I don't know. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Did I have to choose the worst possible way to open this? I don't like the plastic. You know what I do like? I do like the ones that are paper because look at this. Oh my gosh. It's going to take me forever just to get them open. But all of this is just a waste of plastic. Like, do you open these with your kids or yourself? Like, can you guys seem to get these open? Heaven help me. Look at this. All of that to get the ball. Okay, ready? Whoa! Do you know what I like about these ones too is unlike the other one where this is separated into like the 5, you have these. There's only 2. Ah! So these are cute. What we're going to do with them, I don't know. But we have mini fashions. It's shaped like a purse. Oh my gosh, look at them all. And then you can get, is that cosmetics? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, and little shelves. See, we're so used to these ones, the mini brands where they open like the eggs. Because these we've done before. Toys, mini brands, food. I am excited to get the purses. I don't know what we're going to do with this. I don't know. Giant bath bubble in a huge bathtub? Maybe. Who knows? We have, I thought it said 5 surprises. Why do we only get 2? It says 5, right? Oh, okay. Maybe I read that wrong and it's just the brand 5 surprise and you don't get. But on the other ones, you have 5 surprises. Okay, you know what? Doesn't matter. I am so excited. This part is recyclable. Ah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I see. Oh, okay. It is. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. We've got the sticker of the purse. So that is a sticker. Yes. Ooh, and it's a clear sticker. And then we have the little purse. It doesn't open though. I guess it's like a wallet. It doesn't open. It does a little bit, but it's also not closing. So it's like a wallet. Okay, it's a wallet. We have the perfume bottle. Ah, I love it. And, oh my gosh, blowing my mind. The makeup. Look at the makeup. And that is perfect. A little bit big, maybe for Barbie, but perfect. Way too small for your American Girl dolls. So in package 1, cosmetic, I don't know, makeup puff powder, I don't know, perfume, and I'm going to call this a little wallet. And that is just bag 1. Okay, that's 3. Oh, and maybe this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this would be 5. So you do still get 5 things. Oh, it matches her dress. Look at the bag. Oh my gosh. There's even tissue paper. You can put all the stuff in the bag. Look at the bag. Oh my God, it's got the little charms. Oh, I love it. I love it. Look at Barbie with her bag. These are so much better than any Barbie purses. You can put, oh my gosh, all of your stuff into the bag. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm so excited. It matches her dress. I love this. I love this. We are going to have to do some major Barbie photo shoots with these. These are beautiful. Okay, I am so excited. And that's just ball 1. Let's do ball 2. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I can't believe there's 40 of these. I want to go and look for more of these. Why can't I open these? Like, I'm pulling. Did I just get a bad batch? Like, why don't my zippers ever open on these? Oh, come on. Okay. I brought scissors, and I'm just going to... Is that even going to help? Okay, maybe. Oh, I'm sorry, Barbie. I hit you with the scissors. I love these. I love these. This is going to be my new obsession. Oh my gosh. Okay, we have to do make a room or a shelf for Barbie to display all of these. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's get this. Same thing. Same thing. That one actually opened. Okay. Ready? Let's go. Let's go. Okay, there is our 2. And here's another. Do you know what you could do with these? Maybe make like huge giant Christmas ornaments. Same tag. Should we do the accessories first? Or the purse? Let's do the accessories first. Okay. I hope you share my excitement. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I like that you can recycle this. Look at our sticker. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Another little wallet that doesn't really open. I mean, I guess every purse needs a wallet. It is the lipstick. And it opens. And it matches her dress. Oh my gosh. And another bottle of perfume. Oh my goodness. Okay, the lipstick, really big for Barbie. The lipstick could be used for your American Girl dolls. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I mean, the perfume could be too. Now let's open the bag. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay. It's not a duplicate, but it does look like this one. Are you ready? It's gold. It's gold. So it is the same bag, but look at the details, the charms, the pattern. Oh my gosh. The tissue inside. I got to get the little other strap out. The tissue inside to hold the purse up. Oh my gosh. These are so, so cute. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Barbie and Nikki, or whatever her friend is that you have, or Courtney, Christy, it doesn't matter. Skipper, Stacy, Chelsea. Oh my gosh, they can all have one. I love it. I love these. All right, let's open up the last one. I want to go get more of these now. And tell me your ideas in the comments. 1, do you have these? These would be so fun to give as gifts for Christmas for anyone who loves dolls. Let's go. I'm just going to, use the scissors. Did that help? Probably not. No, we're still going to unwind it this way. Oh, come on. Okay, come on. Open. Okay, we're going to use the scissors again. I am too excited. This has been the best thing that we have reviewed in so long. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Maybe we can get a different purse because this does show like multiple purses and we keep getting the same purse. Like we got that one in a sticker and that one in a sticker, but we've got this purse in 2 different colors. Maybe one of these other ones would be nice. I did only get 3. Should I go back and get more? Tell me in the comments if I should go back and get more. Why this opening? Oh, I feel like a child, like a kid when you just can't wait to get into things. Come on. And then tell me also in the comments, what would you do with these? Would we make them into like Christmas ornaments or ornaments, tree ornaments for outside if you decorate outside? Do you have like a giant bubble bath? Maybe they could be marshmallows for like a giant outdoor activity. I don't know. What ideas do you have for these? Because I mean, they could be something, right? Like some of them could be flat. I don't know. They're kind of pearly. I don't know. Okay, accessories again. Let's do accessories again. Okay, mini fashions. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, it's a different. Oh, we got 2 stickers this time. Oh, this is like a bonus one. We got 2 stickers. That is the bag that we literally just opened. And then this is the blue version of the pink one. So that's 2 stickers, but we still got 3 accessories. Look! Oh my gosh. So the wallet, the perfume, and this one opens. So she can spritz the perfume. Oh my gosh. Oh, I just threw the lid. Okay. And look at the brush. And it's actually really soft. Oh, the detail. And the wallet again. I wish the wallet opened. I understand though. You know what? The detail in everything else more than makes up for the fact that the wallets aren't very good. Oh my goodness. Barbie doll over here. You have it made. And we did. We got a different one and I opened it off camera. Ready? Oh my gosh. Look. Look at that purse. Again, the tissue to plump it up. The strap. Barbie. This is a beautiful purse. So we ended up with 2 of this one and this one, but we got the sticker for this one in 2 different colors, this one and this one. These have been fantastic finds. You have to let me know in the comments. Did you use these for your American Girl dolls or your Barbie, the accessories? And how many of these purses do you have? Because these are amazing. And the quality of them. The straps, the little details. Look at this. Like, this isn't a cheap plastic. This is sewn. These are, my goodness, mini brands, fashion minis, mini fashions. 5 surprise. You have blown me away with these. I love it. I don't know what I love more. The lipstick that opens, the perfume that opens. These ones don't open. But like, or all of the little purses. I mean, Barbie girl, you are ready to go on vacation. Look at all these purses. Guys, I'm in love. Such a win. This is such a win. And then we'll figure something out to do with these. That is all for me this week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.